Hey everyone, welcome to English Go Easy. I'm Spark.
Hey, I'm Xena. Today, we're talking to a plumber about a problem at home. This is essential English for everyday emergencies.
A leak, a clog, or a broken faucet. You'll learn exactly what to say when you need a repair.
Let's dive in. Hi, are you the plumber? Thank you so much for coming on such short notice.
Yes, that's me. I'm Mike from Quick Fix Plumbing. You called about a leak under your kitchen sink.
That's right, come on in. I noticed water all over the cabinet floor this morning.
No problem. Let's take a look. Can you show me exactly where the water's coming from?
Sure, it's right here, under the sink. Everything down there is soaked.
I see. Do you mind if I move these cleaning supplies out of the way?
Go right ahead. Sorry about the mess.
No worries at all. This is my job. When did you first notice the leak?
I think it started a couple of days ago. There was just a small puddle at first, but it's gotten worse.
Got it. Have you used the garbage disposal recently? Sometimes the problem is connected.
Yes, I use it every day. Is that the cause?
Let me check. Could you turn on the faucet for me for a second?
Of course. There you go.
Ah, I can see it now. The water is dripping from this pipe right here. It's called the P-trap. The connection has come loose and the seal is worn out.
Is that bad? Is it a big repair?
Not at all. It's a very common problem. The good news is the pipe itself isn't cracked. I just need to replace the worn out parts and tighten everything up.
Oh, what a relief. How much do you think it will cost?
For a job like this, you're looking at about $80 for parts and labor. I can give you a written estimate before I start if you'd like.
Yes, please. I'd appreciate that. How long will it take?
About 30 to 45 minutes. It's a quick fix. I have all the parts I need in my van.
That's great. While you're here, could I ask you about something else?
Absolutely. What else is going on?
The water pressure in my bathroom shower has been really low lately. Is that something you can look at?
Definitely. Low water pressure usually means there's a clog in the shower head or a problem with the valve. I can take a look after I finish the sink.
Thank you. That would be wonderful. Would that cost extra?
Just a small inspection fee. If it's only a clogged shower head, I can clean it out for you at no extra charge.
You're very kind. Please go ahead with both.
Will do. Let me get started on the sink first. All right, the old P-trap is off. You can see how corroded it was.
Wow, that looks really worn out. No wonder it was leaking.
Exactly. I'm installing a new one now. This one should last for years. And there we go, all tightened up.
That was fast. Should we test it?
Good idea. Go ahead and run the water. Perfect. No more dripping. Dry as a bone.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Now, about the shower?
Right. Let me grab my tools and head up there. Yep, just as I thought. Your shower head was full of mineral buildup. I've cleaned it out.
Is the pressure better now?
Try it and see. How's that?
So much better. It's like a brand new shower.
Glad to hear it. To prevent that buildup, you can soak the shower head in vinegar once every couple of months.
That's a great tip. I'll definitely do that. So, what's the total?
The sink repair was $80, and I'll add a $20 inspection fee for the shower, so $100 total.
That's very reasonable. Do you take credit cards?
I do. Cash, card, or check, whatever's easiest for you.
I'll pay by card. Here you go.
Thank you. Let me print your receipt. And here's my invoice with everything itemized.
Perfect. Is there a warranty on the repair?
Yes, all my work comes with a 90-day guarantee. If the leak comes back, just call me and I'll fix it for free.
That's very reassuring. I'll keep your number handy.
Please do. Here's my business card. Don't hesitate to call if anything else comes up.
I will. One last thing. Is there anything I should do to maintain my pipes?
Great question. Try not to pour grease down the drain and run hot water through it regularly. That prevents most clogs.
Good to know. Thank you for all your help, Mike.
My pleasure. You've got everything working perfectly now. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks again.
All right, everyone. That was a conversation with the plumber.
Notice how the customer described the problem clearly. There's water all over the cabinet floor. The leak started a couple of days ago.
Mike asked smart diagnostic questions. When did you first notice the leak? Have you used the garbage disposal recently?
Key phrases you heard. Thank you for coming on short notice. How much will it cost? How long will it take? Is there a warranty?
The customer also raised a second problem. While you're here, could I ask you about something else?
Always ask for a written estimate before the work starts.
Important vocabulary: leak, clog, P-trap, water pressure, garbage disposal, estimate, parts and labor, invoice, warranty, mineral buildup.
When you talk to a plumber, describe the problem clearly and say when it started.
Don't be afraid to ask about the cost and the warranty before they begin.
And ask for maintenance tips to prevent future problems.
Thanks for listening to English Go Easy.
A clear conversation with a plumber saves you time and money.
Subscribe for more real-life English scenarios.
Until next time, keep practicing.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.